Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make ejotes envueltos. These are tender green beans dipped in a whipped egg batter and fried until golden brown. They're topped with an incredible salsa and will take your breath away after just one bite. So let's get started and let's make these. Okay guys, so to start this recipe, I'm going to be cooking about a pound of green beans in some simmering water with a bit of salt. You want to cook these green beans until they're nice and tender. Take a bite of one to make sure that it's nice and soft. You don't want any crunchiness in the green bean. Once they're ready, remove them from the pan and place them off to the side while we start to whip our egg. This is 5 egg whites which have been separated from the yolks. You want to whip this on high until stiff peaks form. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes from all over the world. This one today is from the country of Guatemala. I just love that country. If you're from Guatemala, leave a comment down below. Now, once the egg whites are nice and stiff, I'm going to be quickly adding the yolks back into the bowl and mix it just until it's combined. Do not keep mixing at this point because then it'll just deflate the eggs. Quickly get your pan ready with a bit of oil only to cover a thin layer of your pan and drop all of the cooked green beans into the egg batter. Mix them around a bit just until they're coated. And with my tongs, I'm going to be adding bunches of the green beans to the oil to fry. Place them against the edges of the pan when it's time to give them a flip, and be sure that your flame is not too high because these will burn rather quickly if the oil gets too hot. Once these are golden brown on both sides, place them on a plate, and I'm going to show you how to make my delicious salsa that I top these with. For the salsa here, I have a small saucepan and I'm adding 3 plum tomatoes, a jalapeno with all of the seeds removed to make the salsa nice and mild, and a half of a red bell pepper. A half of a white onion is going in, and lastly, some garlic cloves and some small tomatillos. Add 1 cup of water and bring these vegetables up to a boil, allowing them to simmer and become soft. This only should take about 10 minutes. I'm finishing this off by blending everything together and adding a teaspoon of oil and salt. Continue to simmer this about 5 minutes until it thickens up a bit and your salsa is ready. This has a remarkable taste. It's incredible on eggs or on top of tortilla chips, but especially wonderful on these envueltos. These ejotes envueltos are so addicting. It tastes similar to a chile relleno, and I love eating these inside of a big piece of a crusty bolillo roll. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes which always have a unique twist to them. Thank you guys so much for watching.